Uniting for a better tomorrow, Putin's vision for a BRICS parliament. A new era for global cooperation, Putin's proposal for a BRICS parliament. The BRICS group, comprising Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, is a coalition of major emerging economies that seeks to foster economic, political, and cultural cooperation. Established in 2009, BRICS aims to reshape the global economic landscape, advocating for a more balanced and equitable world order. Recently, the BRICS Parliamentary Forum in St. Petersburg became a platform for a groundbreaking proposal by Russian President Vladimir Putin, the creation of a BRICS parliament. This proposal, if realized, could significantly alter the dynamics of international relations and cooperation. Putin's proposal for a BRICS parliament. In his address at the BRICS Parliamentary Forum, President Putin outlined his vision for a BRICS parliament. This body would serve as a legislative and consultative assembly, bringing together representatives from the member states to discuss and coordinate policies on various global issues. Putin emphasized that the BRICS parliament would not only strengthen the unity and coherence of the BRICS nations but also enhance their collective influence on the global stage. Latest data and figures. According to recent data, BRICS countries collectively account for over 40% of the world's population and nearly 25% of global GDP. Trade among BRICS nations has been steadily increasing, with intra-BRICS trade reaching $244 billion in 2022. Additionally, the BRICS New Development Bank, NDB, has approved over $30 billion in loans for infrastructure and sustainable development projects since its inception. Comparison with other international organizations. While the concept of a BRICS parliament is novel, it draws parallels with existing international bodies like the United Nations and the European Parliament. However, unlike the UN, which encompasses almost all countries globally, the BRICS parliament would focus on the specific interests and challenges of its 5 member states. Compared to the European Parliament, which operates within a more integrated political and economic union, the BRICS parliament would need to navigate the diverse political systems and economic policies of its members. Powers and functions of the BRICS parliament. The proposed BRICS parliament would have several key functions. Legislative coordination, harmonizing laws and regulations among BRICS countries to facilitate trade, investment, and technological cooperation. Policy formulation, developing common strategies on global issues such as climate change, sustainable development, and public health. Conflict resolution, providing a platform for dialogue and mediation to resolve disputes within and outside the BRICS framework. Cultural exchange, promoting cultural understanding and exchange among BRICS nations to strengthen mutual respect and collaboration. Challenges and opportunities. Obstacles in establishing the BRICS parliament. Diverse political systems, the BRICS countries have varied political landscapes, ranging from democratic to authoritarian regimes. Achieving consensus on legislative matters could be challenging. Economic disparities, despite being major emerging economies, BRICS countries have different levels of economic development and priorities, which could complicate policy harmonization. Geopolitical tensions, existing geopolitical tensions, such as the border disputes between China and India, could hinder the smooth functioning of the BRICS parliament. Potential benefits for BRICS countries and the global community. Enhanced cooperation, a BRICS parliament would provide a structured mechanism for continuous dialogue and cooperation, leading to more coherent and effective policies. Greater global influence, by presenting a united front, BRICS countries could enhance their collective bargaining power in international forums and negotiations. Innovation and development, coordinated efforts in areas like technology and sustainable development could spur innovation and economic growth within BRICS and beyond. Cultural diplomacy, increased cultural exchanges could foster mutual understanding and reduce tensions, contributing to global peace and stability. President Putin's proposal for a BRICS parliament represents a bold step towards deeper integration and cooperation among some of the world's most influential emerging economies. While there are significant challenges to overcome, the potential benefits for BRICS countries and the global community are immense. As the world faces complex and interconnected challenges, the need for multilateralism and cooperation has never been greater. The BRICS parliament could serve as a model for regional and international collaboration, paving the way for a more balanced and equitable global order. In the coming years, it will be crucial to monitor the developments surrounding this proposal and the evolving role of BRICS in global politics. Engaging with and understanding these dynamics will be essential for policymakers, businesses, and citizens alike. The proposal for a BRICS parliament is not just a political initiative, it is a vision for a new era of global cooperation and solidarity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kudos Kuber for more insightful content.